Well, hello CSA members. It's Monday, August 6th, and well, today we're going to do a little video tour of Bahr Farm, our second plot of land where we're renting from Dale and Carol Bahr. And well, we're kind of transitioning a good amount of our fall crops to this farm out from Double J, where most of your CSA produce has been coming from, and we're trying to I guess consolidate our time a little bit, so you'll be getting a little bit more stuff coming from Bahr Farm. So we'll go ahead and do a little video tour of Bahr Farm and see what it looks like. So let's start with the tour. So right here we're walking back towards the garden part. Over in this area is where the cow barn is, and Dale uses that for his cows. We use some of the cow manure on a lot of the fields as a fertilizer. All natural, better than any chemical stuff out there that a lot of places sow. Now this farm has a lot of different gardeners here who rent plots from Dale and Carol, and as this one, see right here, is one plot from a guy named Mr. Boggs, and he's an African-American guy, lives in the city and rents from here. So we're only one of many gardeners around here. I'll show you over here. This is our one of the tool sheds, tool barns. We'll just make our way down a little further, and this garden, a little bit more machinery is used. We use well, Dale uses more so than Jules and I, but we use the tractor here to work up some ground. We'll make our way down the road a little bit to the east-west plots, and this place is about, there's 30 total acres, but we're only growing on about three and a quarter, I guess. Here's another little plot, a couple of plots actually that few people grow in, and that's not part of our garden, so we won't spend a whole lot of time on that. We'll make our way down to the bean plot and potatoes. There's Dale. Hey Dale. This is our little video tour. So this is where we've been digging out most of our Irish potatoes. Some of those fingerlings, those red fingerlings that you guys have seen in your CSA, coming from this area. It's a little weedy right now, but there's some potatoes still left in there. You guys should be pretty excited for the sweet potatoes that'll be coming here soon. This is our sweet potato patch, and man, it looks green. Here's our beans here, beans and squash, and hopefully we've seen lots of flowers on them, so they should be coming pretty soon. Moving on over, this is also part of our garden space here. We have beets and carrots kind of growing in amongst the weeds, but there's the beets. Those are coming up well, and we might be able to find a few carrots here. Just some little guys coming up right in here. So those will be more of a late fall, probably in the winter CSA. And we've got some newly planted bean successions in here, beans and squash. We'll make our way a little further down here. This is newly worked up ground where we'll be planting probably successions of lettuce and other greens. Looks like this one's been newly planted. Got some lettuce in there. This one is a succession just earlier than the one we just saw. It needs to do some hand weeding in here. We'll be doing that here this morning and afternoon. we'll just kind of take a look at this stuff over here. Some other greens that we sell, not part of the CSA. A lot of this is more conventionally grown, has been sprayed, and we